Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video in the middle of the day market update, in which we'll talk about what you need to know, what happened today, what will we see today, everything. All right, so that's what we'll do today. So far, it's been a relatively bullish and quiet day. We had some big news, as most of you know, with the PCE price index, but most of that was as expected. All right. We saw the core PCE price index month on month drop down by 0.1%, or at least it was 0.1% lower than expected. That's not going to make the markets move. But what we are seeing, and that's the most interesting part right now, is that Bitcoin got a bit of a bullish reaction. And at the same point of time, we can see that some Bitcoin bidding is coming in, all right? Basically since 11 o'clock today, at least in my time zone, so for the last like 5 hours, we've actually seen that some major Bitcoin buys have been made. So that's relatively bullish, because in general, what we are about to see, or at least what the catch is today, is that it's the end of the month. It's the 31st of May, falling on a Friday. So what that means is that usually you see a lot of volatility, and it's that volatility could be both ways. All right, but I do think that either today or beginning of next week, when we have the opening of a new month, we'll see some big moves. And the fact that over the course of this morning, we're seeing some bullish momentum, and also with the opening of the US markets, we're seeing some bullish momentum. I think that could be the start of something more. But ultimately, just be careful, all right? Because it's the end of the month, and because we had some news as well, and just in general because of the market circumstances, because the volume is also rather low, I would say. Volatility is to be expected. Now, I think it's a little bit more likely to get some more bullish momentum and to get some more bullish volatility, or at least volatility that goes more to the upside. But it stays risky, all right? It's risky business. Now, onto the markets, because there's no other real news that we need to talk about. I mean, maybe with what happened with Trump, but I don't think the effect on the markets is that major right now. But what you do see, and that's what I think is interesting, is at least like 30 minutes ago, meme coins were quite strong. All right, so I think meme coins are actually one of the narratives or one of the categories in crypto you need to keep an eye on. If you look at, most of the meme coins actually still have some major bullish breakouts to get, right? So if you look at Bonk, that still needs to break above the 382 fib of the move down. Floki also still needs to break above that level there. If you go to WIF still needs to break above some sort of a level right here at 3.6 and 3.55. So the commonality is that most of these levels, like BOEM, also still needs to get a breakout here. And Pepe actually, still needs to break, but Pepe does seem to be the strongest meme coin here. But most of these meme coins are showing momentum, still need to get a breakout to really rally. So what will that depend on? I think again, Bitcoin. All right, so keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can actually push up towards 69,500 into the 70,000s, then I think meme coins can rally a lot. So keep your eyes on them just for the sake of it. And apart from that, some other coins are also quite strong. If you look at Ondo is relatively strong. So now I'll just go through the list. So pay attention. But Ondo is quite strong. I think Lina or Linear Finance has some potential to do well. Chili's fundamentally has potential to do well, but technically right now it's bearish. Omni is quite strong here, so that's definitely one to watch. It's also a relatively low market cap Binance listing. And Ace, I think if that breaks above $6, which we already talked about briefly yesterday as well, has potential to really rally. So that's it for now. Be careful, right? Because volatility is to be expected. I am a little bit more bullish on Bitcoin than bearish. But once I see a big sell-off and once I see the open interest drop down for Bitcoin, I will change my mind very, very quickly. All right. So be careful. Those are my thoughts for now. Those are the things you need to focus on for now. If you have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.